Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to factorize this algebraic expression by cross chart. So Mr. Tan will start off by drawing a cross chart here with x squared. Here it will be x times x. So there's this cross chart here, and also this 9 will be here. And what are the factors of 9? 1 times 9, 3 times 3. And out of these two pairs, which pair will be able to give me, if I plus or minus, they will give me 6. Yes. So I'm going to choose 3 times 3. But notice this is negative 6x. So I'm going to have minus 3 times minus 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 will still give me back my positive 3. Yeah? And so I would then have my negative 3x here plus negative 3x. They do give me back negative 6x. So what would be the final answer? This is how you should look at the final answer. Two brackets. Oh, and in this case it's x minus 3 times x minus 3. Are the brackets the same? Yes, and if that's the case, we should try to write them in its simplest form as possible. So I'm going to write the answer as x minus 3 square. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.